Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Chandler Hill Base Camp. Enjoy a nature getaway in this rustic home in the mountains, 10 minutes from Sunday River Ski Mountain. Home. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Bethel, 1.9 miles from Hastings Island, 2.7 miles from Bethel and 2.7 miles from Bethel, Chandler Hill Base Camp. Enjoy a nature getaway in this rustic home in the mountains, 10 minutes from Sunday River Ski Mountain. Home has accommodations with a patio and free Wi-Fi. Featuring free private parking, the vacation home is in an area where guests can engage in activities such as skiing and cycling. The vacation home is fitted with 4 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a fridge, a washing machine and a toaster. Towels and bed linen are offered in the vacation home. Mayville is 3 miles from the vacation home, while Colonel Dyke Airfield is 3.5 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Bethel Regional Airport, 3.7 miles from Chandler Hill Base Camp. Enjoy a nature getaway in this rustic home in the mountains, 10 minutes from Sunday River Ski Mountain. Home. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.